Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to another video. In this opportunity, we are going to talk about wishes about the past. We all make mistakes. We are not perfect. All of us, we are humans and we all make mistakes. And we all have regrets as well. Those regrets are things that happened, and of course, they were not perfect. We often talk about these things and wish for things to be different. When we speak about things that did not happen in the past, but which we wish were true, we use this form. I wish plus subject plus had plus the verb in the past participle. I wish plus subject plus had plus the verb in the past participle. This part of the I wish we can change. We are going to see some examples. Imagine this situation. I went to university in Oxford. I didn't in fact, but imagine I went to university in Oxford. But now I regret it because Cambridge is better university. And I'm going to express my regrets. I wish I had gone to Cambridge University. I wish I is the subject, had plus gone is the past participle to Cambridge University. I didn't go, but I wish I had gone. Another example, imagine, this is the negative form. I wish I hadn't gone to the Cambridge University. This is in the negative form. We express the had as negative, hadn't. That is the contraction of had not. Had not gone to Cambridge University. In this case, what am I expressing is that I went to Cambridge, but I wish I hadn't gone to that university. Another example is this situation. Manchester United lost to Barcelona in the Champions League. So my brother, who is a fan, my brother wishes Manchester had beaten Barcelona. In this case, I am not talking about me. I am talking about my brother. It's possible, as it is a third person, I say wishes instead of wish. My brother wishes Manchester had, we have the had, beaten, this is the verb in the past participle, Barcelona. Also, we have the same example, but in the negative, in the opposite way. My brother wishes the same, wishes, because it's in the third person. Manchester hadn't beaten Barcelona. Hadn't is the negative of had. Beaten, the verb in past participle, Barcelona. In this case, the wish is in the present, but the regret is in the past. That's why we say wish, wishes. Instead of using wish, we can use this phrase, if only. As well, it is possible to use if only instead of wish. For example, do you remember this? I went to university in Oxford, but now I regret it. Cambridge is better university. I am going to express the regret, but now using if only. If only I had gone to Cambridge University. Can you see? I am not using I wish. I am using if only. It's another way to express regret. So you may choose I wish I had gone to Cambridge University, or if only I had gone to Cambridge University. Both of them are the same. Another situation, Manchester United lost to Barcelona in the Champions League. Now I am going to use if only. If only Manchester had beaten Barcelona. Instead of I wish, my brother wishes Manchester had beaten Barcelona. The only difference is that here, when I use if only, I am not being specific about who wishes. If only Manchester had beaten Barcelona, I don't know who wishes. Maybe I, or maybe my brother. If only, it's more personal. I understand that I am not wishing that. But if you want to be more specific about somebody who wishes something, use wish. My sister wishes, my brother wishes, the teacher wishes, for example. Well, here you have some exercises. Please complete using the proper structure according to each situation. Well, thank you for watching this short video, and I hope to see you in another opportunity.